Hello, my name is Bill Edgett, and how to make a complaint to the Ombud of New Brunswick. I plan on making another complaint to the Ombud of New Brunswick about this unfounded police report from 2003, June 23rd, that has ended up in a family court affidavit in 2015. It has ended up in a Department of Social Development intake report of March 2016, and is now mentioned in an affidavit by Cassie McDougall for the Department of Social Development in 2023. So, the Department of Social Development has failed to update or acknowledge the mistakes and false information they had in their possession. There's Cassie McDougall. It's 23rd day of May 2023. So, my protection of privacy has been violated, and I wish to make a complaint. So, you do a Google search, Ombud, New Brunswick. It's pretty simple. See Ombud MB. How do I make a complaint? I click on that, and it takes me to this page. Now I have a few options. I'll scroll down just a little bit here. Make a complaint. Okay, there's the general complaint form, and you fill in the information. Now, I do have hard copies of the general complaint form. I did call the office, and there's 3 pages. 3 pages. And they can send them to you via email, and you can print them out, or you can do it online. I'm going to be doing this one online, and this is one of a few that I have to make a report of, because false information is being shared by the St. John Police Department from an unfounded police file from 2003 that has ended up in an affidavit as truthful information in this unfounded report in 2015, an intake report to the Department of Social Development in March 2016, and now it's 2023, and it's in an affidavit by Cassie McDougall, who is an agent of the Minister of the Department of Social Development, Dorothy Shepherd, who has placed an emergency protection order against me to prevent me from seeing my children. I believe this is all based on their belief that this false information from the St. John Police Report from 2003 is true, when it's already marked unfounded. It's been falsely shared. It's been shared without my consent. It's third-party information that ended up in court documents and intake reports of the Department of Social Development, and I never even knew this existed until I made the Right to Information Protection Privacy request in 2016. So all this information ended up and is still being shared as if it's truthful from a as it says here, 2003 unfounded. So the information, and see, it's a Mental Health Act. This information that's marked, the file is marked unfounded, but the information contained within is being shared as if it's truthful. So I have to make a complaint. This is how you make a complaint to the Ombud for violation of your privacy under the Right to Information Protection Privacy Act.